I didn't catch you there. Well, why howdy there, fellas, and I'm back for another food review on the YouTube platform. And today, I'm back at the Dairy Queen, but today I will be reviewing the chocolate sundae with M&M pieces on it. So at first glance, you see, there's ice cream, I think, and there's chocolate icing on it. Or not icing, though. Hershey syrup on it. And then there's the M&Ms. I'll go ahead and get a taste of the Hershey syrup. It tastes really chocolatey. So far, it tastes pretty good. So now, I want to eat some ice cream. Or not M&Ms. Pretty good combination. It reminds me personally of a McFlurry because there's ice cream in this, which most McFlurries have. There's ice cream, Hershey syrup, which there is a lot of Hershey syrup. If you look, you can see all the syrup around it with all the ice cream. So, I'm gonna give her a big old bite, and I'm gonna see how she tastes. Gotta be sure to get everything. Hershey syrup and all. Pretty good bite. Will that work, Jaden? That'll work. Well, at first response, it's cold. You can really taste the ice cream in this. Like, for real, the ice cream is dominant in the tasting section of this here dessert. But then you can get a hint of the chocolate syrup, which is dominated by the ice cream. The syrup is there, but the ice cream dominates it in the flavor. You can taste the ice cream over anything. But you get to crunching, you get some M&Ms, which has a very distinct taste in the mouth. You can really distinct it from the ice cream, Hershey Hershey syrup. You can distinct the Hershey syrup from the M&Ms and ice cream. But the M&Ms are very distinct in their taste, which I think gives it a good functionality, in which it proposes a nice far-fetched taste, which I believe makes it really nice because of all the stuff that it was given. I'll go ahead and give her another bite, see if I can get some more Hershey syrup. Oh yeah. There's my next bite. See if this one's the same. Oh. Okay. So, in that I got a lot of I got a lot of Hershey syrup out of that bite. I think mainly because I bit into the Hershey syrup side of it, which I think gives it a distinct taste using factor A. It's Hershey syrup against lemonade. Oh my god, ice cream, which I think gives it a nice taste. As you can see, it's on my spoon, which I shall lick it off. Well, that's going to conclude my food review of the Dairy Queen chocolate sundae with M&Ms and a Hershey syrup. Hope you enjoy. I rate this food probably a 7.84. There could have been more Hershey Hershey syrup in this ice cream. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next episode. Be sure to like and subscribe. I need a sponsor, so hook me up. Anybody out there with a sponsor, I'll be sure to include you in my videos. Just hit your boy up through the comments. Peace.